This is a Crosley Conservator. Appliance repair. Everybody loves it. You work all week, you come home in the afternoons, then you got to work on the damn washing machine or the dryer or the dishwasher or the refrigerator or something. Something's always broke. And YouTube is a really, really good source for answers on repair and stuff, DIY stuff. But our washing machine doesn't look like any of them on YouTube, even though it's covered in one of the brands. So I want to show a different washing machine than what you can find on YouTube, because maybe it'll help, because none of the resets and calibration tricks and all that stuff, none of that stuff worked. So I'll go through what I did, and I can't tell you exactly what it was that I did that fixed it. All I can tell you is the things that I did, and all of a sudden it started working. So we'll get into all that. If you replace the lid lock on this washing machine and you can't get it to work, the new the bracket that goes into the lid, where the pin of the lock goes through it, you'll know what I'm talking about. I'll show a picture of it in a minute. If you put the new one in, but you're not getting any results, take that new one out, put your old one back in. Because I'm pretty sure that when I put my old one in, what I did is I opened the lid and I took the old one and put it in the slot where the lock was, just so I could see if the lock was even going to work. And I had done it with the new one and it didn't work, but when I put the old one in there, it started working. But it was after I did something else too. But that would be the easiest thing to do first. If you replace the lock in the bracket, just take your old bracket and put it in the lock, because I think that it has a sensor or something. I'm not sure how that works, but it obviously worked for me. If you've tried all the things of, one full rotation counterclockwise, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click back, 1 click right, still don't get anything, still don't work, what I did is hold the pause play or pause start button. I held it down to make sure that it turned it off, and when no lights were lit, I held the button down till all the lights lit up, and then I let go. When I did that, all the lights started flashing. From there, I went 4 clicks to the right, clockwise, and then push start, and we started washing clothes.